BCSS is running a permaculture course from March 26th to 29th. Learn from Tichafa Makovere, Zimbabwean permaculture expert, and Chloe Wallace, BCSS landscape and permaculture consultant, during a 4-day stay at our research station on Benguera Island. At BCSS, we have applied permaculture ideals to building our kitchen herb garden.
So we are building a small kitchen garden for the BCSS kitchen. So here we're going to plant things that are easy to grab and that are used in small amounts in the kitchen, like fresh herbs, chilies, things that like a lot of sun and warmth, as we've got a lot of here on Benguera.
Permaculture provides a set of design principles focused towards the development of systems which are self-sufficient and sustainable. It is the ideology of the ethical and sustainable land use for human settlement, incorporating systems such as traditional knowledge, efficient energy use, ecology, recycling, organic farming, agroforestry, and sustainable development. We can use these natural cycles to produce things such as natural composts. The practice of permaculture is designed to teach people to utilize patterns and features evident in the natural world and combine those with the ways we produce food in order to create a system which is self-reliant and non-harmful to the environment. Participants in our permaculture course will gain a practical understanding of the ethics and principles behind the permaculture way of thinking. You'll receive an introduction to permaculture design, begin creating a design for your own space, and receive feedback from your facilitator and group. At the end, you'll be able to apply the skills acquired during the course to your daily life, as we have in our new finished BCSS kitchen garden. For more information or to sign up for the course, email us at info@bcssmz.org or visit our site, bcssmz.org.